Hey there, lab rats! Let's talk about marketing. In this world that keeps going faster and faster, like 90s icon Sonic the Hedgehog, but on crack, it is very hard to get people's attention. The national average attention span has reportedly gone as low as 2 seconds. Most of you have already probably forgotten what I was talking about in the first place. To prevail in this ecosystem and get the clout that you deserve, marketing strategies have to become a lot more aggressive. You have to quite literally hit the people in the face. Hast du dich actually so hart erschrocken?
Ein bisschen.
We at the Not-So-Secret Lab are friends with many musicians, so we made it our mission to help them to get their sounds out there. With this.
Introducing the Rufus Lab Speaker Blaster. This device throws a speaker right in front of your target audience. No longer do you have to beg in a short video format for likes, follows or subscribes. No longer do you have to remind the viewer to share the video and ring the bell right now. Finally, you can walk down the street like the big bad girl boss you are. See that poor bored guy? That's your target audience. Luckily, you got your Rufus Lab Speaker Blaster with you. Lock and load that puppy. Visualize your goals and give them a taste of your art.
Denkst du, deine nächste Runde, die wird ein Hit? Sorry man, Candy Culture win. Du floppst.
Let's get into the details of the construction. When starting a new project, you have to set parameters. What the heck are you even trying to achieve? I wanted the following. First, something small, like my PP. Second, something powerful enough to throw a speaker. And third, mountable, as your mom. I struggled to choose what design to get inspired by, airsoft or crossbow. In the end, I decided to go for a crossbow flavor. It seemed simpler to implement, also cheaper since 15 subscribers do not pay the bills. Subscribe! The launcher is made of 3 parts. Let's begin with the shaft. This slender, black beauty is the base of the construction. On it we mount the plate, the springs that give us momentum, and the hold and release mechanism. Second is the plate. It glides on the shaft, up and down. Don't be shy to use some lube. There's nothing wrong with making it more enjoyable for everybody. Third, the hold and release. This one was really tricky to figure out. With only one spring it worked fine, but as I increased the force, the mechanism started to slip more often. Because of the tolerances with 3D printing and I didn't care enough to make a 10th iteration, so it is what it is. For the speaker I ordered the cheapest thing you can find on your favorite Chinese online shop. And then I switched the speaker part because it sounded like shit. And also cut that down in half. Basically, I wanted a small speaker that wouldn't break when thrown around. Or at least I wouldn't mind if it broke. To protect this little Rocky Mountain oyster, I channeled the last of my remaining cosplay powers and covered it in shock-absorbing EVA-Foam. Also gold spray.
Yes!
Hey, you made it to the end card. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This was part 1 of a multi-part series. I think in total it will be around 3, maybe 4 videos. They will be self-contained, like this one, but it will end in a bigger project where I put all the things together. So maybe you will figure it out on the way, what it is. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Got the clicker somewhere. And again, thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.
Say hi to your fans. No? Say hi.